Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to USNMix YouTube channel. Today's topic is about WhatsApp. So today we'll discuss about WhatsApp and how to use two WhatsApp account in one phone. So today we'll discuss on how can you use two WhatsApp account, two different number, SIM number and two different mobile number in two different WhatsApp account in one smartphone. Okay friends, dual WhatsApp. So how can you use two WhatsApp account in one smartphone? Now WhatsApp will be able to run from two different numbers on one smartphone. Learn how. But before go to the main video, I want to say if you are new in our channel, then subscribe our channel. Science and technology related topics will be discussed in this channel. If you like our video and like our channel, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe and make comments. And also click on the bell button on the right side. If you click on the bell button, you will get notification for the next videos. To get full information, please watch the video from the beginning to the end. Otherwise, you will get the full information and miss many useful information on these topics. Okay friends, let's start. Let's go to the full report. Okay. Now WhatsApp two numbers. By the way, WhatsApp can be run from a single number on a phone, but today we are going to tell you such a special trick from which you can easily run a WhatsApp account on a mobile with two numbers. So you can use two numbers in one smartphone. Also you will be able to chat. Now you will able to chat through two numbers. So let's know how you can run WhatsApp with two numbers on one smartphone. So this is the tricks. If you know the tricks, then you can run two WhatsApp account in one smartphone. Now use dual app feature. In today's time, every single smartphone is launched with the feature of dual SIM. So all the smartphones have dual SIM facility, dual GSM SIM. All the smartphones like Samsung, Xiaomi, LG and Vivo, Oppo. So all the smartphones features of two dual support two dual SIMs, GSM plus GSM. Through this feature, user can run two numbers of SIM in one phone. So you can run two numbers in one phone. Talking about the messaging app WhatsApp, it is operated with a number, but there are many such devices of Samsung and Huawei which come with dual mode features. Through this feature, user can run chatting with any contact with two different numbers. But now almost all the phones have this facility to run two WhatsApp accounts in one smartphone. I will discuss about how can we install this app. Install this WhatsApp in two different accounts in one smartphone. Now how to use dual app feature. To use dual feature app, users should first go to the mobile settings and open the options with dual app settings. After this, you have to duplicate the feature WhatsApp. After selecting WhatsApp, go to the home screen of the phone and click on the other WhatsApp on the app launcher. Now users can chat with their contact with the second number in it. Note, if the features will be present in your phone, then only you will be able to run WhatsApp from two different numbers. So first you just think that these features will be available in your phone or not, but recently all the phone company like Samsung, LG, Vivo, Oppo, Xiaomi, Gioni, all the phones have this facility to run two WhatsApp account number, two different number WhatsApp account in one smartphone. Like when you can facilitate with this call, you can talk with anyone with these two numbers. You can receive and you can make calls to others with these two numbers. So you can also run two WhatsApp account, two different mobile numbers in one smartphone. Okay friends, now WhatsApp accounts can also be run from Google Play. Let us know that many mobile users create separate accounts for one service so that they will be able to chat with two numbers at a time. In such a situation, there are many apps for WhatsApp on Google Play Store through which two different accounts can be run. If you also to run WhatsApp with two numbers, then you have to download Parallel Space, App Cloner, Multiple Accounts, Multiple Dual Space and Super Clone for Pro apps and from Play Stores. So you can download it from Play Store. Now the dark mode of WhatsApp. WhatsApp launched dark mode for Android and iOS users for few days ago. And if you see our channel, few days ago, we'll just detail discuss about the WhatsApp dark mode and previous some videos, you can search in our channel USNMix. You can find this dark mode of WhatsApp, and you will get the detail about this dark mode of WhatsApp. Once this mode is activated, once this dark mode is activated, the eye of these users are not stressed, and also reduce the consumption of the phone's battery. So however, so far only few users have received the support of this dark mode. So in this for this facility of WhatsApp, users are get advantage of two things. One is the battery consumption is very low because it is black mode. In this dark mode, you can the battery usage is very low, and your eyes is stress low because its color is black. So you can use this WhatsApp launch this dark mode recently, and whenever you just log in to update your Android version, so you can get this WhatsApp dark mode. You can use this dark mode whenever you chat with your friends and relatives. So that's it, our video. You can chat, you can download, you can install two WhatsApp account, two different numbers WhatsApp account in one smartphone. Now we'll see the website report, detailed website report. How can you just install WhatsApp into two WhatsApp account in one smartphone. So to the website and have a look the detail of this our topic, that over two WhatsApp accounts are run in one smartphone. So let's have a look, go to the website. So now watch the report of Financial Express website report of dual WhatsApp trick, how to use two WhatsApp account on one phone. Android smartphone from companies including Xiaomi, Vivo, Oppo, Samsung, Honor, Huawei, Intex, Lenovo, Asus, etc. come with a dual app setting that allows you to create a duplicate or clone on an app. So you can use two WhatsApp account in one phone. So this is the, if you are using these phones like Xiaomi, Vivo, Oppo, Samsung, Honor, Huawei, Intex, Lenovo, Asus, so all this smartphone nowadays give this feature about to launch, about to run two WhatsApp account in one smartphone. WhatsApp hack. With over 200 million active users, WhatsApp is perhaps the most popular chat app in India. Besides the people who have smartphone to run WhatsApp, platforms extended support on select features phones has not only spurred its growth in India but also played a major role in keeping the feature phones from becoming dated. While WhatsApp only allows a single mobile number on a single phone, and there is a way that you can use WhatsApp account on one phone. So only generally one account in one smartphone is available, but now two number WhatsApp, two different number is run in one smartphone. You can run two WhatsApp in one smartphone. The WhatsApp Messenger can be used simultaneously on a single phone without having to juggle between two phones, only because you need two separate WhatsApp profile on two different mobile numbers. The features that allows you to duplicate on app so that two instances of an app can be used on a single phone in dual mode or dual apps, a name that varies from phone to phone. Now since iPhone does not offer any such facility, your bet on Android is absolutely on to the point. Then now how to use WhatsApp account on a single phone. To do that, you need to find the dual app or dual mode or twin apps. Largely the app cloning features of your phone in this setting. On some phones this setting should be distinctly visible, while some phones have it under sub setting. You can even use the search box on the top of the setting page on your phone. After you have successfully locating the feature, tap on it to open it. And now in some phones such as Samsung, you can see only social media and messaging app available for duplication, while a lot of other phones allow nearly all the installation apps to be cloned. Scroll up down to find WhatsApp in this app list. Now turn the toggle on the create the clone for this WhatsApp. This makes a while as a new installation of WhatsApp is carried out in this background with the separately managed Google Play services. You have successfully created the clone WhatsApp on your phone. Now exit the settings and either go to the home screen to find the shortcut or enter the apps menu to find the duplicate WhatsApp. You will able to identify the duplicate version of icon must have some graphical representation for dual app as per your phone's UI. You will now welcome by fresh WhatsApp sign up screen. Enter your mobile number digits that you want to use simultaneously. Remember, while it is advisable to both the SIM cards, the number which you are registered on the WhatsApp profiles, you can have a mobile number that you can use some other phones given it's in your reach. The idea of this obtain one-time password that WhatsApp sends to verify the number. Now complete the sign up process to entering the OTP. In case of inputted a mobile number currently in use some of other phone, otherwise WhatsApp will automatically detect the OTP for your phone. Now choose whatever name and profile of your want to just created the account. All your contacts saved on the phone will simultaneously appear on the both instances of WhatsApp instead of your phone install on your phone. So that's it. So you can now use this two WhatsApp accounts on one single smartphone. So that is the website report of Financial Express. So now you can use two WhatsApp account in these smartphones, Xiaomi and Vivo, Oppo, Samsung, Honor, Huawei, Intex, Lenovo, Asus, all the basically recent smartphones, and this give this facility to run two WhatsApp account in one smartphone. So if you have two different number, two SIM and two different number, then you can run two WhatsApp account in one phone. Or that's it. Now that's it about our video today. After watching this video, now you can know how can you install two WhatsApp account in one smartphone. Hope you will enjoy this video and you like this video. And thanks for watching this video. If you like our video and our channel, then you can like, share, subscribe our USNMix YouTube channel. And if you have any information regarding this video or want to ask more, then you can make comments in the comment section on this video of USNMix YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video once again. Thank you.